This is the Ask Me channel. You are here for one reason and one reason only, and that is to learn how to change your Facebook password.
Now, there are two ways of changing your Facebook password, and I will be showing you them both. The first method is by using the account center. Let's log into our Facebook account.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out.
Now hit on your profile and then settings and privacy. Then select settings again. Now visit the account center. Now you select password and security. Now on that page you select the first option, that is change password. Now you choose an account to make the changes to. So on which account do you want to change password? Now you can easily enter your current password and then the new password, then you retype the new password, then you hit on change password, and that is the first method. Now secondly, you can also use the forgot password option. Alright, so you click on forgot password on your login page. Then you enter the email address or mobile number associated with your account. Now how do you want to get the code to reset your password? You will use the email. Right, so they have sent an email to the they've sent a message to the email you gave them. Let's refresh the page. Alright, so that's our message. So that is the code we'll be using, or alternatively you can directly change your password by hitting the change password in the email. You can use any of those methods. So you type in your password and then you hit continue. Thank you very much for your time.